Okay, so I am sitting in the house and I want something sweet, and I've been seeing these cake in a cup or cake in a mug recipes, and I'm gonna try me one. Here's the moment of truth. Getting ready to slap this in the microwave. I'm gonna do like 130 for the first time. Oh my goodness, a complete fail. Look, oh my gosh, this is disgusting. First attempt fail. Okay, so before I decide to throw it away, let's just see what I'm working with. It has like a cake consistency. Dun dun dun. Here we go. Oh, it's pretty good. It just don't look good. Okay, I got me a little cake. Let me get my ice cream out.